If you think it's expensive to hire a professional, try hiring an amateur. This is especially true when it comes to hiring contractors. Did you know that HVAC systems alone can comprise of 5 to 8% of a building's value? So a home worth $500,000 can have HVAC systems worth $25,000 to $40,000. HVAC also needs the most maintenance in any building post-installation. That means HVAC contractors should be popular and rich. But are they? Let's see what an HVAC contractor is worth.
Hi, I'm Bharat Kanodia. I have valued over 2,000 businesses, and I'm here to show you the tricks of my trade so that you can start seeing businesses from an appraiser's perspective.
There are over 100,000 HVAC contractors employing 600,000 people and making $85 billion in annual revenue. There are 3 factors affecting this business today.
1. It is all connected. Alexa, Google Home, Nest, ADT, Smart Home Tech. It is all one big network, which will keep growing and compounding. HVAC contractors can decide to swim with the current or wither away. Keeping up with the latest tech advancements that is in sync with the customer demand is crucial.
2. Green and sustainable. Reducing your carbon footprint is cool. Businesses that work with clean and renewable solutions are popular. Contractors doing HVAC for hemp and cannabis production have a bright future.
3. Transparency. Everything is online. Cost of parts, cost of labor, employee reviews, customer reviews, appointments and calendars. Successful contractors are good at managing their online presence with transparency. Rule of thumb. Tell me if you've heard any of these before. 1 ton of air conditioning capacity can cool up to 300 square feet of an office. Multiply the repair cost by the age in years of the unit. It's time to replace the unit if the amount is more than purchasing a new one. An HVAC unit under 10 years old should have preventative maintenance done at least once a year. These are more guidelines than rules that can help you get the most out of your HVAC system.
HVAC contractors can sell anywhere between 0.25 to 0.35x of their annual revenue, or 2 to 4 times their SDE, plus the fair market value of any inventory, property, plant, and equipment. There are 4 factors that can help these contractors maximize the business's value.
1. Take care of your customers. Simple, right? Ask for service feedback and listen to online reviews. In a fragmented business, you want to stand out. Communicate easily and openly with your customers by making it easy to reach you. Schedule an appointment and make service requests by digitizing communications or hiring great customer service reps. 2. Loyal and certified technicians. This is a service business, and your employees are the service providers. Your employees will treat your customers like you treat them. Hire technicians that have multiple certifications and train the inexperienced ones. Good parts suppliers will make your employees proud of their work and effort.
3. Annual service contracts. Recurring revenue is king. These contracts will keep your team occupied and the cash flowing during the slow months. You want to aim for 50 to 70% of your revenue from these service contracts. Customers with service contracts will call you first for any installations. Respect your guarantees. Do not hide behind the fine print.
4. Professional management. Clean books, strong supplier relationships, and 30 to 60-day receivables will streamline your business. Clean new uniforms and well-maintained vehicles show customers that you care. Project management software, good relations with insurance and warranty companies, proper trainings, and good policies are the building blocks of a professionally run firm. Otherwise, you're just juggling 15 balls. Which one will drop first?
If you keep your customers happy, employ a strong and a respectable team, and keep your books clean, your business will accrue value over time. The problem with many business owners are their expectations of Wall Street-style fast riches, pushing them to make poor decisions for short-term gain. Business is straightforward. People make it complicated. If you keep your eye on the ball and focus on long-term success, you will create value. Thanks for watching.